Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to be making my favorite custard. First, you're going to want to let 1 brick of Philadelphia cream cheese sit until softened. Then you're going to want to add 2 cups of milk in a pot at medium heat. Then you're going to want to add 1 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of cornstarch. You're also going to want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're then going to want to stir and wait for it to come to a boil. Once it's come to a boil, you're going to want to add cream cheese and stir. Now, in a separate pot, you're going to want to add 1 cup of sugar and wait for it to come to a liquid consistency. Then you're going to want to add the sugar into 3 separate bowls. And then put the cream cheese mixture on top of it, around 3 scoops. You could put any kind of toppings you want, any seeds, any nuts, it doesn't really matter. Then you're going to want to let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours. And there you have it. It is one of my favorite desserts to have. It is so amazing. It's so delicious, and I'm sure you'll all love it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you loved this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe and comment down below any other foods you'd want me to make.